I've been hiding something from you guys. It's my favorite thrift store. This is Nikki Terry Style. If you're new here, I want to say welcome. We do thrifting, style inspiration, DIY thrift flips, plus size fashion, vintage when we can get it, and also learn about sustainable fashion choices as we go. There's new videos every Sunday and often bonus content during the week, so please do subscribe to my channel and say hi in the comments, or you can always send me a message over on Instagram. Today's video is a thrift with me at my favorite thrift store in the DC area. This is totally one of those hidden gem thrift stores that I was so lucky to find, and it's one that I frequent all the time normally, but I haven't taken you here yet because they've been closed for most of the year. So now that they've reopened, we're going thrifting, and there's so many good finds in this video. Real quick before we go thrifting, I want to show you this pair of jeans that I just got from Madewell. I treated myself. My birthday was actually last week, so hey fellow October babies, happy birthday. And I treated myself to a pair of jeans because Madewell will always give you a $25 gift certificate for your birthday, if you don't know that. So I'm not too sure if I like these jeans or not. I really want another high-waisted, like slightly flared. These just have like a full kind of bell-bottom effect. So let me know what you think. Do you like these jeans? Should I keep them? They are more flared than I was going for, and Madewell also has some like skinny flare jeans that are somewhere between like this and a boot cut, and I really like those. I was thinking of exchanging to get a pair of that, but let me know your opinion on these jeans. All right, thanks so much for being here, guys. I am excited to take you thrifting at my favorite thrift store. And if you've already followed me on Instagram, there's like a handful of you that saw some of these clips in my Instagram stories recently. So to those few, I am really sorry that there's gonna be repetition here today. But for everyone else, I really hope you enjoy, and let's go thrifting. My favorite thrift store reopened. I'm sitting right outside. Oh my gosh, I haven't been here since, I think maybe I came in February. I honestly can't remember if I've even come here at all this year. So I'm about to go inside. Yay. Here's the fit, by the way. I've only gone through a few of the racks, but I've already found so much stuff. I'll show you. This ribbed turtleneck. This is a basic white Ella Bean tee. This amazing t-shirt. This button down. This might be vintage. Look at the dark collar. This is coming home with me for sure. Oh, Angora. $7. This little vintage embroidery. And whatever this fun thing is. Little Tommy Polo, look. Oh. Yes. New J. Crew turtleneck. Very soft. And Lily Pulitzer. Look how darling. $5. Madewell top. The best of bags here. I always find vintage beaded clutches. Look how cute. So small though, like, would you really use it? I don't know. Oh my god, RBG? Like, what?
and teapots. Cool coffee table books here. Oscar de la Renta little satin PJs, new tags. Look at that. So cute. Oh my god, this 90s tempo casual dress. Wow. Cool. And we have a winner for the best find of the day. Look at this coat. Vintage. Wow. It is $40 as is, but I can't see what the as is part is. Like something's wrong with it, I suppose. Gorgeous. I have to try it on. Here's some more finds. Their fitting rooms are closed, so I'm just gonna pretend. Yes. Very cute. This is not vintage. I just love the colors. So cute. This Ralph Lauren embroidered button down. So cute. This little bag is $6. It's David's Palm Beach, little vintage leather Chanel lookalike. Obviously, it's so cute. I gotta get that. $6. Okay, I have to get this, right? Oh my god. Okay, it gets better because this coat has Goldie B embroidered in it. I'm in love with it. Oh my god.
Hey, so now I'm back home and getting everything ready to do like a quick try on haul for you, and I totally scored. I love that store so much. This is honestly so good. I could be a cast member on My So-Called Life in the 90s. I'm in Angora heaven. This color, right? Well, this is too small. It's very chesty on me, so it's gonna go on Poshmark though. I think it's like probably about a medium. Cute, huh? Lily Pulitzer. This is the LL Bean tee. It's actually Supima cotton. It's so nice and like luxe. Now this is what you want to see. As far as I can tell, this was sold as is just because of a little bit of spotting on the inside, on the liner. You can see that. Goldie B. Thank you, Goldie. Well, thanks for coming thrifting with me today. I hope you enjoyed. I can't believe, I guess I can believe because it's my favorite thrift store, but like going back for the first time and finding so many amazing pieces. That place is just so golden for like a really good mix of cool vintage items and some really nice quality modern pieces. They just get the best donations there, in my opinion. And it feels like you're almost like in a small consignment shop, but you're paying like Goodwill prices. So it's just excellent. Totally recommend that place if you're in the area. Next week, I have a really special vintage haul planned for you guys. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already so you don't miss it. And I'll see you then. Gotta warm up. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Okay. Okay, not really hiding it, but they've been closed and the time is now. What? We just make it work. Okay. I threw that into the mix to get myself a pair of jeans. I'm just so tired. This is hard. Making sense is hard. I'm tired. Last night was Halloween. My neighborhood was partying for Halloween. Oh my God. It was wild. So where was I?